Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Kami. Today I'm going to show you a stitch pattern that's very easy. Even beginners can knit it. All you need to know is knit and purl stitches. For this pattern, you can cast on any number of stitches. Once your stitches are on the needle, start with 1 purl and 1 knit. Just keep in mind the first stitch of the first row is always knit, no matter what. Then continue the pattern as established and always purl the last stitch. For the first row, we work 1 purl and 1 knit. Now that we've finished the first row, let's move on to the second. From this point on, the rule is always the same. Slip the first stitch without knitting, then begin the pattern. For this row, we repeat the same sequence, 1 purl, 1 knit, working the stitches as they appear. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to like and leave a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And remember, subscribing is free and really helps support the channel. Now that the second row is done, let's move on to the third. Pay close attention here. From this row on, we switch the stitches, knit the ones you purled, and purl the ones you knit. Repeat this pattern all the way across. Now that the third row is done, let's move on to the fourth. We simply continue the same rule, 1 knit, 1 purl. In other words, knit the knit stitches and purl the purl stitches. This pattern is made up of 4 rows, so once you finish this row, the pattern is complete. From the 5th row, you simply repeat the cycle. Each repeat consists of 4 rows, 2 rows of 1 purl, 1 knit, then 2 rows of 1 knit, 1 purl. Now we're on the 5th row and the pattern begins to repeat. Just like in the first row, we work 1 purl and 1 knit sew purl, the knit stitches and knit the purl stitches. Now that the 5th row is done, let's move on to the 6th. Here, we simply work the stitches as they appear purl the purl stitches and knit the knit stitches all the way across. And that's the pattern finished. What would you make with this stitch? I'd love to hear your ideas. Did you like the pattern? If I didn't mention it earlier, this stitch is called the moss stitch, and it's commonly used for baby blankets. That's it for today. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and leave a comment. I'd really appreciate your support. And don't forget, subscribing is free and helps the channel grow. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!